Alright guys, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to access Canva Pro for free. Alright, how you can get access to Canva Pro for free. Alright, so without wasting much time, if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get quality updates on our videos. Alright, without wasting much time, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process of how you can get access to Canva Pro without paying a fee. Alright, I'll give you access to all of these things. Now, before we start, you move over to Canva, go to canva.com. Right, canva.com, see there. Alright, the moment you go to canva.com, you can see where it says log in if you already have an account, but if you don't have an account, you sign up. So I'll be showing you how you can sign up and how you can do all of these things. I'm going to be saying one after the other. Alright, so I'll come to sign up. Okay, accept all cookies. You can sign up with Google. Alright, you can sign up with email. Like what I will do, I will just sign up with Google. Click on Google. Right, so just sign it straight. So just wait for it to load. So once it load, I confirm the email and I move ahead. All right, so you can see there, click on that. Okay, so to confirm, all right, still taking time. Good. All right, so once this comes up now, we are still waiting for it. Right. All right, good. So let me just say, right, they'll be asking me to put in my card. I say I'd rather say maybe later. Right, skip. Okay, now this is the interface. You can see the welcome notification. This is what you get when you sign up. All right, but then you can see that there are some features that are limited. Anywhere you see this crown icon here, this crown icon, it means that you need to access it for, you need to access the pro version before you can have access to all these features. All right, and there are so many other things that are very that are limited and which will hinder you if you want to do some designs. All right, there are some designs you want to do because of that this crown icon, you cannot access it because you are using the free version. All right, so in this particular video, I will be showing you how you can access the pro version. All right, so I will also put my link in the description of this video. So all you need to do is to click on it and chat me up so you can get access to the free version, the pro version. All right, so that is what you do. Now let me show you how you can get access to the pro version. So there are other ways whereby you have to pay for it. This particular one, you are not paying a single dime. So you are not putting your credit card, you are not paying any monthly subscription or yearly subscription. All right, so you are not inserting your card in this. It's just it's just access to the pro version. Now for me to do that, since I already signed up, I already have access to the personal. You can see where it says personal. I already have access to the personal listing. So now to access the pro version, there is a particular link, right? I will copy this link like this. Once I copy it, I come to a new tab. Remember, I have to log into my Canva. All right. So still log in, open a new tab, paste the link, and press enter. All right. The moment you paste the link and you press enter, it will ask you for invite. You see that now. Okay, you can see what it's showing. So just allow it to load for a few seconds. Once that is done, we'll have access to the pro version. You can see how it is now. You are not paying any single dime. You can see it. Welcome to this. Let's go. Right. You can see that. Wow. All right, good. Can you see that now? I now have access to the pro version. You can see the free. This is the free, like we said. This is the free. So you can confirm what we are talking about. Right, this is what I use to do most of my designs, most of my ebook covers, most of my flyers and all of those things. Okay, this is what I use to design this thing. So for you out there who is also looking for a way to get access to this pro version, I will put my WhatsApp number, a link to my WhatsApp number there on the description of this video. Once you click on the link, it will take you to straight to my inbox. You just to my DM so you can have access. Can you see the personal? Now this is the personal. You can see where it's showing this. And the good thing about this pro version you are talking about now, you have access to it for a lifetime. You are not paying monthly, you are not paying yearly. You just have access to it for a lifetime. This particular one, I have access to it for about three of my accounts. I use it for my designs, my ebook designs. I used to design my ebook. I used to design flyers, journals, what will I call it now, mock-up designs, all of those things. So this is what I use for that particular kind of and I don't pay monthly subscription, I don't pay yearly subscription, I don't even pay any kind of, I don't even insert my card for anything. All right, can you see that it's very, very easy for you to have access? So for you who wants to have access to this pro version, all you need to do is to click on the link on the description of this video. You have access to the pro version. All right, have access to the pro version for just a little token. Okay, for just a little token you have access to this pro version. Okay, and you are going to enjoy for a lifetime for you without paying any monthly subscription. You have access to it once and for all right, you continue to use it for as many accounts as possible. I have it for over three or four of my accounts. Okay, I use it every now and then. So for you to have access to it, just click on the link in the description of this video. I'll put my link there. Once you do that, just for a little token, you have access to this pro version. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this particular video and you got value from it. All right, do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell. Give this video a thumb up and drop your comments if you have any question or any challenge. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.